Hi guys, this is Harvey the GOAT speaking. Yeah guys, as promised, welcome to my YouTube channel guys. Today I'm gonna be analyzing for you three pairs that we have spoken about guys, that I have promised that I'm gonna deliver. So without any waste of time guys, I'm just gonna start analyzing for you JPY. Eurjpy. Eurjpy guys. Also Eurjpy, we start analyzing from the monthly time frame to check the overall movement of the price, to check the price behavior. So from these levels right here guys, you can easily identify how price is moving. So you can mark your lowest low and you mark your highest high. By doing this, you are able to identify the pattern that the market it gives you. So as you can see here, we have a beautiful contracting pattern. So at these levels right here, you are able to see that price started from being started with a big momentum, and now price was squeezing inside this trend lines. So from these levels, you can easily identify that we had multiple touches on our lower highs and we had multiple touches on our lower lows. So at this moment, there's nothing much to can identify and see, but rather we can move to the weekly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, you are able to see that, okay, I had multiple touches on my lower highs, hence now price chose to drop the way it does right now. So we can easily look at this price right here. We can easily look at this price right here. There was a beautiful bullish trend identified at these levels. There was a beautiful bullish trend identified at these levels, and we had multiple 3 touches on our lower highs. So from this moment in time, you can easily identify your point of confluence. This is your point of confluence. Point of confluence is identified when many price points are meeting at the same time. This is more like a resistance type of ceiling. So in this type of manner, you can say we had a double top. We had a double top this here, and also this double top here was acting as a retest to the overall momentum. Bear in mind, we are still in the weekly time frame, so we still want to identify how price is moving. So from these levels right here, there was a bit of flat market right here. Price was no longer picking up direction, hence now it was creating more momentum to can pick direction. So now already we had seen that now the market has created a beautiful 3 touches on our lower high. This means that now, since one price has given us 3 touches on our lower highs, it was a beautiful confirmation to the downside. So in the market, there is different types of market conditions that appear on a daily basis. So as a trader, you need to identify those types of market conditions. We have an uptrending market condition, we have a downtrending market condition, and we have a consolidating market condition. So from these levels right here, you can identify that now, since Eurjpy was consolidating around these areas, this was a type of market condition that it was telling us that now market makers, they need to make up a direction at the end of the day, but now they don't have to give you a clue, but by the time they give you a clue, they will be gone. So at these levels right here, guys, you can easily identify and see that now we had a point of conference around these areas. So now Eurjpy, it is a beautiful sell to can capitalize on. So from these levels right here, your entry edge can be at this particular point once price breaks below these levels right here. Once price breaks below these levels right here, that's where now you can start easily looking for more bullish, more bearish momentum to the downside to come and cater for our third touch to these levels right here. But for now, price has already picked up the direction. Now we know that we are selling on Eurjpy. Sooner we're gonna know and have our entry edges in the future. So for the next coming days, we're just gonna wait and see how price is gonna perform. Without any waste of time, guys, let us quickly move to another pair, which is Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy has already picked up the direction also, but now we can easily show you how price has moved until where it is. Gbpjpy, the price behavior is looking like the same as of the Eurjpy. So this is clearly to show you that these pairs, they have something in common. So they have something in common, which is our quoted pair JPY, Japanese yen. So meaning to say that there is somewhere these pairs, they look the same. So from these levels, guys, we need to just cater for our touches. Cater for our touches. Cater for our touches. Then from there, you check on our line chart for more touches. So from these levels right here, Gbpjpy looks bearish for the next coming days. So let us quickly look from our beautiful weekly time frame to identify and check how price is behaving for us to be able to see the cells. It's having a beautiful double top right there. It's having a beautiful to say that now Gbpjpy looks for more selling opportunities in the future. We just need to cater for the lowest points right here. Let us cater for more lowest points right here. What we can easily do is to just identify our bullish trend right there. Identify our bullish trend right here. So as you can see now already, Gbpjpy has picked up the direction due to what it's been given to us right now. So we had multiple touches on our lower highs and multiple touches there at these levels right here. So from this point in time, you can easily identify and check that there was a point of confluence around these areas, meaning to say that we had many triple bottoms, many touches at this level that coincide with our trends. So at this moment, guys, we can easily drop it to the daily time frame where we're gonna see and check that what price has already done. So from these levels, let us fix our trends. Let us fix our trend. This is a beautiful triple top with an M. So I'm just gonna quickly show you that now what price has already done here, guys, there is a beautiful momentum again to the downside. So price is looking more beautiful to drop in the nearest future. GJ sells, we had waited for this particular sales to occur from long time ago, but now price was stubborn around these areas. So from this level, it went to the upside in a more corrective manner. One thing you must understand in the market is that you don't need to be difficult to identify this type of formation. So at these levels right here, guys, how price approached our resistance level right here, this green box right here, how price approached it approached it in a corrective manner. It approached it in a corrective manner, meaning to say that it was giving us an indication that now sooner or later I'm gonna sell. You understand? Sooner or later I'm gonna sell. So from the moment in time when price gave us this beautiful double top right here, it was an indication that now sooner I'm gonna tank. So what price did, it gave us this impulse right here, and the minute it crossed below, it started correcting, then now it's tanking to the downside. What it does right now is that now GBPJPY has given us a clear indication of sales. So if you were to capitalize from this pair before it could tank like this, you can easily identify it with patterns. Patterns play a big role in the market. So what I mean by that, I'm just gonna quickly identify to you and show you that there are different patterns in the market. So namely, we have these types of continuation patterns. We have an impulse, we have a correction, but this type of correction, it's more going to the downside, but at the end of the day, it picks up the direction. What I mean by this is that this one we can call it, it's called a running channel, guys. This is a running channel, and this one right here and this one right here, it's called a flat channel, continuation flag. This one is a flat continuation flag, and this one is a rising continuation flag. All these three, they're called continuation flags, but how they appear in the market, it's playing a big role. So GBPJPY, it's tanking, guys. So if you can be able to see, guys, that this is more likely to be something like this. You understand? So in this case, we had an impulse right here and a correction, and now we're experiencing an impulse to the downside in line with the head and shoulders that occurred right here. So GBPJPY looks more beautiful to sell for the next coming days. So without any waste of time, guys, this is Harvey the GOAT speaking, also known as Onko. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More content is about to follow. Have a great day, guys. This is Harvey the GOAT. Shalom.